Today, we are going to explore how Yoruba spirituality offers practical solutions for these modern problems. We will connect ancient beliefs to our modern mental health. One of the biggest sources of anxiety is feeling lost. We don't know our purpose. We don't know what decisions to make. We feel like we are floating without direction. Yoruba spirituality says the solution is in your Ori, your spiritual head. Your Ori is your personal guide. It holds your destiny. When you feel lost, it's a sign that you have stopped listening to your Ori. The Yoruba believe that we'll have a path we choose before birth. The anxiety of feeling lost is a gentle nudge